Hello, writers. We are on session 13 of our memoir unit. We are very close to the end of school. Our objective is we will add a meaningful ending to our memoir. When you wrote your first draft, you may have had an ending at the end. However, you may have not included exactly what you need according to the checklist for our memoir. I've included that here, and let's read that together. I wrote a conclusion that connects back to what the memoir is mainly about. I may have ended with reflection, restating my idea, or coming to a new realization. I also might have ended with story, with the character saying, doing, or realizing something that connects back to the main message of the piece and leaves the reader with a sense of closure or understanding. So remember, I've asked often throughout the course of the unit, what did you learn by going through the experience that you're writing about? So at the end of your memoir, you might want to explain to your readers what that experience taught you. Let's take a look at an example. Let's take a look at Adam's memoir ending. If you recall, Adam's memoir was about his brother when he was leaving for college and Adam's feelings about that. We're fast forwarding to the ending, and it takes us through the moment when Adam's brother leaves for college. Let's read this together. John rolled his window down and motioned me over. I walked up to the car, not sure what to say or do. He gave me a little punch. This time, I didn't mind. I'll miss you, he said. Yeah, me too, I said. He handed me his hat. The car pulled down the driveway. I knew my childhood with my brother was ending this very moment. My brother opened the sunroof and waved his hand. I waved back, even though he probably couldn't see me. The car made a left and climbed a hill till it was out of sight. I walked to the end of the driveway to see if I could get one last glimpse of the car. I knew John was moving on. It will only be a matter of time before he has graduated from college, gets married, and has kids. As you can see here in Adam's example, he is making a realization about his brother and how he is moving on in his life and how things at that moment in time will forever be changed. And so then therefore we could end this memoir in a way that makes sense for Adam as well as for his readers. What you are going to do today is to think about your ending in this way. Will you include a realization? Will you include a reflection of what you have experienced? How will you end your memoir so that you can give your readers closure? Even though there is no assignment due today, I would like you to finish your ending and revise it because next week what we will be doing is a final edit and you will submit your final drafts next week. And yes, now you can see the finish line. Good luck today and writers write.